subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Lenovo has launched its new Legion series phone in China called Lenovo Legion Y70 with quite interesting design. Talking about the specifications, the Legion Y70 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified and it also supports Dolby Vision for better viewing experience. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset paired with Adreno 730 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Legion Y70 supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization support, plus 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear camera of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on ZUI 14 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5100 mAh battery that supports 68W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also comes with a large 10-layer heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 77 by 8mm and it weighs around 209 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lenovo Legion Y70 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,970 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 3,370 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 4,270 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in titanium grey, ice white and blaze red color options. So what do you guys think of this Lenovo Legion Y70 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.